You are listening to the Masculine Mindset Show, a podcast for men to develop a backbone, a masculine purpose, if you will, and get more physically attractive, and even become more mentally healthy. All you men listening, I turn nice introverts into fit, self-entitled savages, if you will. And you might even become a little cocky as a result of your G status. More importantly, you guys, I also show you how to flirt and date more women and seal the deal. Just look at the show notes. They are all on my blog articles. Let's get into the content. For those of you who know by now, I am a DS Labs ambassador that is Bucked Up. I do promote Bucked Up. However, this is a big announcement to all of my fitness fans right now. Listen to me, okay? I just launched a new program. However, this is not like something you can get easily. Okay, so let me tell you guys something real quick. You need to complete the full 14-day challenge in order to basically graduate to this particular program. Because listen to me, you guys, but I want to make myself very clear right now. To be clear with you, you need to know what you're getting into. That's why I have you fill out a PAR-Q intake form before you even start the free 14 days. But lastly, you guys, more importantly, before I even get into the content, just understand this. This is a German volume training program that I took all of my classmates through. That means, do me a favor and start focusing on lifting more. Because the German volume training program is not for beginners. You need to complete the full 14 days in order to qualify. All right, let's get into the content. All right, brothers. I'm going to tell you a quick success that is... I'm someone who did my program. I want you to really listen to this right now, okay? Really fucking listen to this man's testimony, okay? His name is Ed Gaynor. Listen here. I wanted to personally thank you for being the driving influence in my physical and mental changes for the better. There was a reason you were the only instructor I ever went to. I feel great, and I am still working out on my own using your techniques and methods. I am down a total of 37 pounds and I'm loving it. You are a class act and a great motivator. Ed, oh my God, dude, seriously. That is, I'm so damn proud of you. Now, the last part of this testimony, you guys, is he said, don't let anyone ever try to take that from you. Good luck. And God bless you in the future. Guys, seriously, that is one of the best testimonies I've ever received in my life. So, check the show notes again. Alpha Body Bootcamp. Now, I'm going to tell you guys right now, I know a lot of you're kind of put off by the title. Listen to me. Even if you don't like the name of it, the whole tangent is this is a life-changing program. You heard it right there, okay? So, with that said, let's just start the podcast now. Okay, brothers. Today I want to give you 7 mantras for masculinity, okay? 7 mantras for masculinity. Now, do me a favor and just understand that mantras do work, okay? Now, I'm going to actually tell you how they work. Okay, I'm going to tell you how mantras work. Mantras are not like affirmations, okay? They're kind of different. Here's how they work. Mantras work by repeating powerful sound patterns, spoken, whispered, even internalized, to influence your mind, nervous system, and energy field, and even external reality, okay? First point, neuroplastic reprogramming, okay? Neuroplastic reprogramming. So, that's the first point. The second point is this, vibrational influence, okay? Words carry vibrational frequencies, all right? And the next big point is reticular activation, okay? Mantras direct the reticular activating system. Whereas, RAS, okay? I'll say that one more time. RAS. This is your brain's filter for what's important, okay? Now, another big point is state control, you guys. I actually cover state control in my very first ebook called Become the Alpha Woman Want. But aside from that, I don't want to talk about that right now. What I want to tell you guys is the last big point to this, okay, is the spiritual aspect to mantras, okay? Mantras can be spiritual to you guys, okay? For example, I recently did a ritual podcast called Silent Rake Embodiment. Brothers, listen to me. That is very similar to a mantra. If you do that properly, some of the people that I've talked to about doing that particular ritual is they told me, he said, Adam, I was feeling sensations in my body. And I told them that makes sense because you're supposed to feel those sensations, okay? The whole purpose behind that ritual podcast is the fact that you are going to feel some very, very, very obvious sensations after that. And listen to me, brothers, okay? Depending on where it's at on your body, you are going to experience something that most men have a hard time believing, okay? And what that is that when you do those type of rituals, okay, those type of rituals, you are going to understand that the more you do it, the more you are going to get in tune with the higher part of you that knows how to deal with women in every way that you know that you can, okay? Now, what does that mean? Guys, listen to me. This is 7 mantras, so I want to get to that real quick, but I want to tell you guys this real quick. When you do rituals like that one, you are going to get in tune with that part of you that is highly, highly, highly desirable. And because you're feeling those sensations in your body, you will realize that you get more intuitive on how to deal with social situations, guys. Listen to me. Social calibration and social intuition is literally the exact same thing. I want to say that one more time. Social calibration and social intuition is the exact same thing, meaning you're going to essentially converse with girls a lot easier when you do that ritual. So, again, let's get back to the content. So, 7 mantras for masculinity. Okay? Here's what I want you to do. Breathe and anchor. This is the very first step right now. I'm going to start the music, okay? I'm going to start the music, the very relaxing meditation music. Brain FM, let's start. Okay. Breathe and anchor. Take deep breaths. Feel your feet on the ground. Now remind yourself, I am in control of my energy. Okay, I'll say that one more time. 3 deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Feet on the ground. Remind yourself, I am in control of my energy. One more time. 3 deep breaths. Now exhale. Feel your feet on the ground. You're going to be grounded, okay? Ground yourself, ground your feet onto the earth. Now remind yourself this right here. I am in control of my energy. These are the 7 mantras. Recite the mantras with intention. I'll say that one more time. Recite the mantras with intention. So, first mantra. My next decision matters more than my last mistake. My next decision matters more than my last mistake. I'll say that one more time. My next decision matters more than my last mistake. Second mantra. I am not my patterns. I'm the person rewriting them. I am not my patterns. I am the person rewriting them. I am not my patterns. I am the person rewriting them. Okay, that was mantra 2. Repeat that on your own time. Next mantra. I don't need to be perfect, just consistent. I don't need to be perfect, just consistent. I don't need to be perfect, just consistent. Now repeat that as many times as you want. As many times as you want. Now, next mantra. You ready? I'm a man of follow-through, not feelings. 2 more times. I am a man of follow-through, not feelings. 1 more time. I am a man of follow-through, not feelings. Awesome. Let's keep going. Remember, repeat that more if you have to. Okay? And say it with intention. Next one. Discipline isn't punishment. It's proof that you're serious. Discipline isn't punishment. It's proof that you're serious. 1 more time. Discipline isn't punishment. It's proof you're serious. Okay, there we go. So, guys, we're almost there. Stay with me, okay? These mantras are very powerful. That is, if you say it with intention, and you say it with conviction, and you even recite them in the mirror in the morning too. Daily mantra, okay? I'm serious. Just do this daily and you'll feel really fucking good. Believe me, you will. All right. Next one. I choose what I eat. Food doesn't choose me. Okay, I'll say that 2 more times. I choose what I eat. Food doesn't choose me. Okay, last time, you guys. I choose what I eat. Food doesn't choose me. Boom. Love it. Guys, I love that one. In fact, I do that one myself too, you guys. Because believe it or not, I do have a sweet tooth. You might see abs on my podcast art, but believe me, I still have my moments where I will tend to make cinnamon roll muffins if you stumble across my website and you see that easy cinnamon roll muffin recipe blog on my website. So, yes, you guys, I believe when you cook, you are being masculine. And why do I say that? It's because a man provides for himself. Boom, let's go. Now, last mantra, okay? And yes, you guys, I did say that I eat cinnamon roll muffins, but I will say that that is also much healthier than the muffins that you get at any store because it is gluten-free. Now, let's go. Are you ready? This is the last one. I follow my own lead and I don't follow trends. I follow my own lead and I don't follow trends. I follow my own lead and I don't follow trends. I follow my own lead and I don't follow trends. I'm going to say that one more time because you guys, I love that one. I follow my own lead because I don't follow trends. Okay? Boom. That's it. Guys, listen to me. That was the entire podcast. Well, you know what? Fuck it. I'll actually over-deliver and give you one more mantra. Are you ready? Are you fucking ready? Let's go. Every no is a yes to my vision. Ooh, I love that one. Every no is a yes to my vision. I'll say that one more time. Every no is a yes to my vision. Boom. Love that shit. Guys, listen to me. Leave me a 5-star review because this podcast today, if you tuned in, I'm proud of you because most men don't do mantras. I'm going to tell you why. It's because they have a fixed mindset on this. They think, oh, it's a tad effeminate. Brothers, listen to me. Mantras aren't, okay, believe me right now. Mantras can be masculine. That is, if you use it with intention, conviction, self-belief, and you realize that the more you believe in these mantras, the more you actually state these mantras, and the more you actually practice them every day, you will embody these mantras. Because this right here is what skyrockets your discipline, testosterone, but more importantly, you guys, you are following your own lead. Because at the end of the day, a masculine man follows his own lead. He does not follow women. He follows his own lead. That is called self-leadership. I love you. Peace out. You are a legend. You've just heard 7 powerful mantras from Next episode. we go darker, deeper. It's not a story. It's not advice. It's a ritual. From the forbidden pages of How to Embody the Rake's Mindset comes a fast-acting seduction tool, a quick possession that wakes up the darkest part of you. It's called Silent Rake Activation. And once you do it, she'll feel you before you speak. Be ready.